guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a super casual video. I'm going to be showing you what I got in my 2018 Beautylish Lucky Bag. I got the regular bag and this is my first year getting it. I'm not gonna lie, I already took a peek. I couldn't wait. It seemed like I was waiting forever for it to come in, even though it did arrive when it said it was going to arrive. First, I'm gonna explain a little bit about what the Beauty Lucky Bag is about. So, I'm not familiar with Beautylish. I've never shopped on Beautylish. I actually discovered this Beauty Lucky Bag from another YouTuber, Breakups to Makeups. I will link her YouTube channel in the drop down bar below, but I was watching her video last year and she was showing what she got in her Lucky Bag video. So essentially this Lucky Bag, you don't know what you're getting, so you pay this website $75 US or $150 US depending on if you are going to get the regular size bag or the extra large size bag, and then I do believe it is $15 US shipping or maybe 35. I'm thinking 35 now that I'm thinking about it, but don't quote me. Basically, I live in Canada. If you can hear my little boy in the background, he's running around, you're probably gonna see him. But so I got the regular Beautylish bag because I live in Canada and it wasn't an option for us to get the larger bag, which I was really disappointed about because if I had the option, I would have gone with the bigger bag. Obviously the dollars is US, but I still thought that it was a good deal. Even though you don't know what you're getting, it's like the ultimate goodie bag of just guaranteed good stuff. Beautylish guarantees that the value of the contents in your bag are more than what you actually pay for it. Anyway, so I got the regular bag and I was really excited about it. So it arrived packaged really well in a big box like this, and it came in this really cool wrapping paper, and like all of the artwork on here is Japanese style. I thought the packaging was really cute and the contents inside were wrapped in bubble wrap, which was really nice to see. And it also came with this little tag, and that was on the outside of it, and it said Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's Lucky Bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the upcoming year, and hashtag Lucky Bag 2018, hashtag Beautylish. So if you are on Instagram at all, you've probably seen some people open this bag already, and a lot of them are pretty much the same or similar in what they've got. So I did kind of have an idea what I was getting, but you don't really know until you open it. So anyway, I'm just going to show you what I got and what the total value of my box was. So the first thing I got in here is this Gosse eyeshadow brush. It's the number 20. One thing that I do wish is I wish they had like a little package insert of a little bit about what the products are, which they didn't have any of that, but hey, I know you can just go on the website and look, but for us lazy gals like myself, it would be nice to have them packaged, but you know. So anyway, this is just a small brush. I'm not sure if it's natural hair or synthetic. It kind of feels like natural hair, so I'm thinking it's real hair. It's a small shadow brush. I looked it up on Beautylish and apparently it is a $20 value US. I'm not overly impressed with this brush. I mean, I think it's a good brush for what I used it, but I have a lot of makeup brushes like this in my collection already, so I kind of would have preferred to get something else, but hey, a makeup brush will never not go to use for me anyway. So it's kind of nice. It's a smaller crease brush, so it's more easy to get that precision. I did use it today and I did like it, but I mean, like I said, I have a lot and I kind of would rather have gotten something more exciting, something that I probably wouldn't have bought for myself. But anyway, that's the first thing. Can I have that back, please? Second thing I got in the bag is one of these Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipsticks. So this is actually from the Manny MUA collab. I'm not sure if you can still buy these or not, but this is in the shade Daddy. Don't eat that. Get out of it. He's trying to eat my makeup brush. Say hey. So anyway, this is in the shade Daddy. It's actually a really nice shade, something that I probably would have bought myself, and I do really like the Velour liquid lipsticks from Jeffree Star. I find that they stay on really well. They're like a different kind of application. I do like the applicator as well, and they usually smell pretty good. Oops. Got it on my nose. So this doesn't really smell like anything, but I thought I'd wait till this video to try it on for you guys so you can see. This is hard to do with a toddler in your arms. So this is kind of like a crappy application of it, but as you can see, it's definitely a warm brown nude. Definitely has some pink undertones in it. It is a shade that I would wear, and I'm really excited I got it. So they value at $18 US. And surprisingly, I didn't buy the Manny MUA collection, so I'm excited to get to use that a little more. Third thing I got, you got a little sneak peek of, this is like the champion of my beauty bag in my opinion. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Look in a Palette, and it's the 5-minute face on the go, and this is the Smokey Eye Beauty. So this is actually limited edition. I don't think you can get it on our website anymore. I don't know if you ever could, but it does say it's limited edition on the Beautylish website. So it retails for $75 US, and you can buy the Look in a Palettes on the Charlotte Tilbury Canadian website, and they retail for $85 Canadian on that. So in here you get a bronzer, a highlighter, you get 3 eyeshadow shades and 2 blush shades. I'm wearing everything in here on my face today, and I have to say it's an immediate love. I really love Charlotte Tilbury products for the most part. There's a couple of flubs, but like with any makeup collection there always will be, but I am obsessed with these shadows. They're really creamy to the touch, really pigmented, and blend it so easily. Something this big sometimes doesn't always have the quality of the smaller size products, but I have to say it's really good quality so far. I'm super excited that I got this. This is something that I saw people got in their bags on Instagram, and I was secretly hoping that I got this because it's probably not something that I would have regularly bought myself, but now that I have it, I can see myself getting a lot of use out of this. We're going on a trip to Toronto relatively soon, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna pack this and get some good use out of it. Say hi. Next thing that I got is the Skindinavia, the makeup finishing spray. So this is a setting spray. I actually think that the all-nighter spray is probably made by Skindinavia. I've never tried this before. I'm gonna hold off to open it because I don't want to break the seal and I want it to last a little longer. I have a few all-nighter finishing sprays that I have to go through, so I'm gonna hold off on waiting for this. So I'm not gonna be able to let you know how I feel about it, but I've heard really good things about it, and this spray retails for $29 US. Next thing I got here is from RMS Beauty. It is the Master Mixer. I was a little confused when I first got this because I didn't really know what it was. I'm not familiar with RMS Beauty, but I read up a little bit about them, and they're an organic brand, and they've got pretty good reviews all around. So when you open this, it's like a cream shadow, and it's in a rose gold shade. It's a really pretty flattering shade. The packaging is really pretty. It's like this frosted glass jar, and the top is plastic, but it feels really heavy, like it's got some weight to it, so it feels expensive. This retails for $38 US. So it describes it on the website that you can use it to change colors that you already have, kind of mix it with shades, and or you could use as a standalone product and use on your lids as a highlight, lips, really wherever. I'm not such a fan of multi-use products. I don't know why. When I have multi-use products, I generally only seem to use them for one way. But yeah, this is not something that I would have ever bought for myself. So I will play around with this a little bit, but that's what's nice about getting these bags. You get to try things that you wouldn't necessarily try, and who knows, maybe you discover something you really love. The light keeps changing. I'm sorry because I keep getting up and chasing after my little boy and then sitting back down again. But anyway, the last thing that I have here is from The Ordinary. It is their High-Adherence Silicone Primer. So I haven't tried anything from The Ordinary before either. I know that they are a more affordable makeup brand. I haven't heard too much about them, but this is a primer. So it's supposed to be like, I read up a little bit about it. It's supposed to be like a silicone primer. So probably similar to the Photo Finish primer from Smashbox. Can't really know that for sure though. I haven't tried it. I didn't test that out today. I probably should have, but I didn't. So I am looking forward to getting some use out of this. So this retails for $4.90, but nonetheless super affordable. So I am excited to try out a more affordable makeup brand, and we'll just see how this goes. Mommy. Sit down with mommy. Mommy. So once I watched Breakups to Makeups video on her lucky bag last year. I went onto the Beautylish website and to see if I could find out a little bit more information about it, and they had a sign-up list for 2018. This was last year, so in 2017. So I entered my email. So it said that they would send out an email when they were getting ready for the Beautylish 2018 bag release, and sure enough, they did send me an email this year, just letting me know that within 2 days that they were gonna have them available for sale. So and then they let me know when it was about to go on sale, so I bought it then right away, and yeah, they sold out pretty fast. So it's only a one-time a year thing, so I'm gonna do it again this year. I'm gonna see if they have a sign-up list for 2019, because I'm definitely gonna buy another bag. It's such an exciting thing to do. If you have the money to be able to splurge on something like this when you don't necessarily know what you're getting, sometimes that can be a risk, but from what I've generally seen, it seems like everybody got pretty good stuff in their makeup bags. Did any of you guys get the Beautylish Lucky Bags this year? Let me know in the comments down below. Is this something that you normally buy? And what did you get in your bags? So as I promised, I'm gonna give you a total worth of what I received in my bag. So I've got it calculated right here. So the total worth of my bag was $184.90 US, and when I convert that to Canadian dollars, it comes to $229.82 Canadian. So that's like a crazy amount worth. So I paid $130 Canadian for this bag, including shipping. The shipping was more expensive, but that was all included in the price. And I have to say, I'm really happy with my purchase. Hashtag no regrets. And definitely gonna do it again next year. So if you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, mwah, love ya, bye. Bye. Say bye. Can you say bye?
Mom, bye, Mommy.